Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: device charged, Bluetooth enabled, and the JBL app installed. Once done, open the app and sign in or choose guest mode so you can access controls immediately. Make sure location and Bluetooth permissions are granted. The app needs them to find your speaker. Tap Add Device, then put your JBL speaker into pairing mode. Press and hold the power// button sequence until the LED flashes. This moves you quickly from setup into active pairing. Once your speaker appears, select it and accept any pairing prompts on both phone and speaker. This establishes the secure connection. Next, if the app prompts for a firmware update, install it. Updates improve performance and fix bugs, so don't skip them. Keep the speaker near your phone and avoid interruptions during the update. After that, customize the device name and choose EQ presets, or create a custom profile so sound matches your preference immediately and consistently. Now use core features. Enable Party Boost for multiple speakers, adjust EQ, and link a voice assistant if supported so you control playback hands-free. Make sure to set auto-off timers and monitor battery percentage in the app. This prevents sudden shutdowns. If you run into issues, like failed pairing, restart both the phone and speaker, toggle Bluetooth, and if needed, clear the app cache or reinstall the app. These steps resolve most connectivity glitches quickly. Finally, reattempt pairing after each restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.